Good morning, children. Today we are going to solve the exercise of lesson number 3, housing and clothing. First, we will revise it what we have done. Earlier, I have taught you about the kacha house, pakka house, multi-storied building, special houses like a tent, an igloo, and a stilt house. So today, you are going to read this lesson and write about the kacha house, pakka house, multi-storied house, a tent, an igloo, and a stilt house. Then next page, turn the page and write these two answers. Write 2 to 3 sentences about a good house. I think you know that what is a good house. There are some of the following features what a good house should have. So in these features you can read all the features and any three you will write in it. How many? Any three features. Now a clean house. How should be your house? How will you keep your house clean? The three ways to keep the house clean. Any three you will write. Okay, children? Then write these two questions. And we have also learnt about the fibers now. Fibers means fibers are used to make clothes. They may be natural or they may be synthetic. So earlier human used leaves and skin of dead animals to cover their bodies. But nowadays we wear clothes just to cover our bodies but also to keep ourselves warm in winter, protect ourselves in summer, protect ourselves in from rain, look good. Clothes are made up of fibers. Fibers are of two types, natural and synthetic. Natural fibers. Natural fibers are that which are obtained from either the plants or animals. Cotton and jute are the plant fibers while wool and silk are fibers from animals. Next. See, there is one picture and table here. From where do you get silk? From silkworm. Jute, where do you get jute? From plants. Cotton, from cotton plant. Wool, from sheep. Silk, from silk. You have to match it. Okay. Now synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are made by humans in factories. They may be rayon, terracotta, polyester. These all are synthetic fibers. See, a terracotta pant, polyester curtain, nylon socks. These are the examples for synthetic fibers. Now, weather and clothes. Now, there is very much, we see that we wear clothes according to the weather of place where we live. If it is summer, we wear cotton clothes. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. And in rainy season, we use raincoats and umbrellas. And the clothes which dry easily, because in rainy season we don't have much sunlight there, no. So people who live at places where there is snow wear fur clothes. Fur clothes keep them warm. When it rains, we use raincoats, waterproof materials. This material does not allow water to pass through it. What are waterproof materials? The material that does not allow water to pass through it. It keeps us dry and protects us from rain. Now this is the lesson. You will have to read it, write down all the points and solve this exercise. So we will continue with the exercise also. What is a house made up of? Bricks, cement and steel called pakka house. The floor should be swept and mopped every day. Which of the following fibers is obtained from plants? Which fiber? Cotton. We wear woolen clothes to keep our bodies warm. Then I saw a house made up of canvas. It was a tent. Now this is match the following: flies, windows, fur clothes and drainage system. Windows to get sunlight, fur clothes to keep us warm, flies spread diseases, drainage system takes dirty water away. Now this is the filling the blanks. Now see this filling the blanks that with the help of given words. They have given here the words at the side. Most of the towns have dash house, pakka house. A pakka house is very strong. The windows and doors should have proper wire netting. And we must keep our house clean. Now there are some unscrambled words which you have to write them. Understood? See here, what is this? First, see here, second, third and fourth. So you will just look for it and do it. So first one is igloo, second one is kacha, karwan and pakka. These are the 4 words. Okay. Next, name these pictures. You have seen it, I have told you and I have taught you also. Now write about the questions here. What do we call people who move from one place to another? Nomads. Name a disease spreading insect found in the house. Cockroach and all. Okay. Mosquitoes. Name any 2 synthetic fibers. Terracotta, polyester. Give any 2 examples of waterproof material. Waterproof material. Examples, it is there here. See children. The waterproof material does not allow gumboots, raincoats, umbrellas. Okay. Next, how many floors does a multi-storage building have? More than 4, 5. Okay. Short answers. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Ria always makes fun of our her maid children as they live in a kacha house. What is a kacha house made up of? And do you think it is good to make fun of people? It is about value canon. So it is wrong to make the fun of and people around you. Okay. Now what is a natural fiber? Give 2 examples. I have taught you now. Why do we need a house? We have learnt it. Why do we wear woolen clothes? We have learnt. Write 4 features of good house. I have told you already. How can we keep our house clean? Give 4 ways to clean our house. Think and answer. So children, you will solve this exercise. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me. Understood children? Okay, thank you.